In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with multiple users. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling and managing your meetings, and in this guide, I'll show you how to set it up so that you can collaborate with others seamlessly. Let's get started. First, from the Calendly homepage, you'll want to navigate your way to the Admin Center. You can find it in the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you'll manage all the administrative tasks, including setting up multiple user accounts. Once you're in the Admin Center, click on Users. This section allows you to see all the individuals who currently have access to your Calendly organization. It's a comprehensive dashboard that provides visibility into users and their roles. Now, to add new users to your Calendly account, you'll need to click on Invite Users. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to collaborate with team members or external partners. After clicking on Invite Users, you'll see a field where you can input the email addresses of the people you'd like to add. It's a straightforward process. Simply type in the email address for each new user. This makes it easy to quickly set up an account for a colleague or team member who needs scheduling access. Once you've added the necessary email addresses, click on Next Set Roles. This step is crucial because it determines the level of access each user will have. You'll have the option to assign them as an admin or a user. Selecting admin gives them more control over settings and delegation tasks, while choosing user limits their capabilities to just participating in scheduling and attending events. This flexibility allows you to tailor permissions to suit your team's needs. Finally, once you've set the appropriate roles, click on Send Invitation. This step sends out official invites to each of the emails you've added, enabling them to join your Calendly organization. And that's it. You've successfully set up Calendly for multiple users, allowing for efficient and collaborative scheduling. Using Calendly with multiple users enhances productivity by ensuring everyone is on the same page and meetings are seamlessly organized. The features available in the Admin Center offer robust control over user management, making it an indispensable tool for teams that rely heavily on scheduling. So, go ahead and start inviting your team members to make full use of this powerful scheduling tool. Don't forget to explore Calendly's other features once you've got the basics down. It's a dynamic platform that can adapt to your evolving needs. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.